some reason they got the exhaust fans on. That wasn't clicked on there very well. Heat off, auto. Let's get on the roof. Here we go. What the heck is that? Heat one something switch. Heat one. S18. Oh, it's windy up here. Oh, but it's warm. It's 48 degrees. Let's see what kind of party we got going on over here. Looks a little toasty in there. I'm getting banged up here. She looks a little toasty. She's drawing amps. She got power. Yeah, she's locked. She's locked up. As soon as I take the power away from it. 247. Got a bad inducer. Toasty. See if I can get it to spin. Oh, she's crusty. Listen. Oh, I can't even move it. Oh no. Oh, she done. Let me see. Let's get her off there and see what's going on. Doors drive me nuts. Oh, it's toasty. Oh, look at that. But I think the motor's still on though. Wow. Get out of here, bugs. Get out of here, bugs. Didn't see that one coming. up. Let's see if she starts up. Motor's a little warm. Oh, baby, it's warm. It's warm. It's warm. Let's see if we get anywhere now. Stuff out hit me. Actually works. I should probably cycle this thing off. Heat one, no. Proof, gas valve, there it goes. Just start it up. The motor looks toasty. I think we're going to end up replacing it anyways. It's working, but those windings looked quite hot. Let's put it that way. I just replaced the heat exchanger on this like 3 or 4 years ago, so oh crap. Model and serial number is non-existent. Black Hawk up there. Huh. So I have a model and serial number in here. Well, that's crappy. Let me look for a model and serial number somewhere. Couldn't find any model and serial numbers, but I got the serial number, got part of the model number, got the inducer motor number. Zero 3 4E. It's a 4E. 4E. Yeah, I can't find anything else model and serial number wise. Nothing on the doors. Nothing in here. 5110F. Is that a serial number? Gosh, plastic phone. Oh my lord, what is wrong with my phone? 5610F. 03410. Okay, I got a good serial number. I think they can look it up on serial number. But Plus I got a Fastco number for the motor, so should be all right. Let me get down off the roof. I'm gonna have to come back here. I got to do all the maintenance on these units. Filter changes, belts. I got to do a blower mount on the unit over there, so we'll be back up here. Well, that was kind of a simple one. Luckily, it's 48 degrees today. I think it is November 30th. 48 degrees here in Michigan. And, yeah, it was no heat. But you seen that thermostat was cocked part way, but obviously it wasn't starting it up. The windings on that motor are toasty. We're just going to replace it because I don't feel like coming back here in the middle of winter, because that's what will happen. It'll become like minus negative whatever, and I'll be up here changing the inducer motor, so I'm going to do it now. I got filters, belts, blower. I actually found the blower bracket for that one, the other one. I got all that stuff on order. Now I got to order this inducer motor, and I'll get up here all at one time and throw it all together, be done with it. So, but it was kind of a unexpected wasp nest in there, mud wasp or whatever they are. So we just knocked that off. Luckily it did start up, and we're gonna order a motor. So you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFund Me, the Zelle, the Venmo for my son going through cancer. Well, he is cancer free, but we're still deep in bills, medical bills. It's hard. He's doing good. He's actually growing hair back. He said he's going to grow a beard. That's what he said he's going to do. 13-year-old. And so he's doing really good. Really good. If you could donate, help out. Also like, subscribe, watch videos, gets me ad revenue. Anything helps. So until we get the parts for this one, we are done, and I will see you on the next one.